In this video, we're going to be talking about lines and circles, basically lines intersecting with circles and how their parts are related to each other. So we're going to jump right into a few definitions. A chord is a segment that joins 2 points of a circle. So we have this point and this point connected by that green chord there. The diameter is a specific type of chord. It's just a chord that happens to run through the center of the circle. That's connecting this point and this point along the edge of the circle, and it just happens to hit the center. That's just a specific type of chord. The radius is not a chord. It does not extend all the way through to the other side. A tangent line is on the outside of the circle. It continues in both directions. It's a line, so it continues in both directions infinitely, and it just barely grazes. It just hits the circle at one point right there. It might appear like it's hitting other points just because the thickness of the line has to be drawn, but it's really only hitting at one point and then continuing off in that direction. A secant line intersects with a circle at 2 points. So the secant line is hitting there, and they're also continuing on in both directions. So you can see that the secant line actually contains a chord. From there to there, we would call that part a chord. That's just a segment where the secant line continues off in both directions. So on the next few slides, you're just going to answer some simple questions about these definitions. Really, you're just going to name these things. So you're going to state a chord from this picture. There's more than one. You're going to state or just name the one tangent line from that picture and name the one secant line from that picture.